In this video, we are going to install floor mats for Tesla Model Y from Octomo. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. All full 6-piece set for 5-seater Tesla Model Y. The mats are a special design to fit the contours of your Tesla. Mat for your frunk. All-weather protection, non-slip texture design that keeps them firmly in place. This is the driver's side mat. High wall prevents liquids from running out and onto the carpet. Front passenger mat. You can simply just slide into place. As you can see, it's a nice tight fitment. One-piece second row mat also slides easily into place. Again, you have the higher edge for accidental spills. In case of a spill, they are easy to clean, waterproof, and stain resistant. Simply wipe down with a damp cloth or remove the mat and just hose it off. Mat for your trunk compartment. Fitment is nice and tight. Large one-piece mat for the cargo area. As you can see, there's a crease on the mat. That is due to packing. Don't worry, that crease will disappear. Just leave them out in the sun for a few hours. Made of high-quality TPE materials, which are non-toxic, age-resistant, oil-resistant, and scratch-resistant. If you have not yet done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.